everyone, my name is Abhishek Anand. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic which has taken place at 2008 in United States. So this topic is going to be about a girl who looks innocent and brilliant, but at the same time who was so possessive with her boyfriend and killed her. So today I'm going to talk about none other than Jodi and Alice. So this is the person which I'm going to talk about today. So I will tell what happened, what is the relationship between them, and because of what he was killed, and after that what had happened. So let me get into the topic. So Jodi Ann Alice was born on July 9th, 1980 at the state of California in US. So friends used to describe that she was brilliant and she used to study even well, and she even worked to her best, and she was generally a very nice person with her innocence and cute little charming. And meanwhile, another person, another gent named Travis Alexander was born on July 28, 1977. So he was initially born in California but later moved to his parental grandfather who was at the other side of the United States. So what happened was on June 4th, around 2007, before that, they worked in a company known as PPL. So PPL is nothing but prepaid legal service. It is just similar to that of the IT company. So what happened was that company had planned for a retreat. It's like giving a treat to their employees for their best effort. So this retreat was supposed to happen on Las Vegas. So there what happened was Trevor Alexander and Jodi Alice met and they become friends and eventually fallen in love. So according to Travis Alexander, it was love at first sight. So they both fallen in love. So even though they were at two different places, at two different ends of the United States, it was a long distance relationship, and they used to plan and date whenever they get the time, and they even used to maintain the relationship over the phone. The phone conversation is used to go like 5 to 6 hours per day also. So it was an healthy relationship at the first. So as days passed by, Travis Alexander asked Jodi to convert into his mode of customs of religion. So basically, Travis Alexander was Jesus Christ of Latter Saints Church. So basically, this group of people will follow Jesus Christ more strictly than the traditional Christians. So Alexander insisted Jodi Alice to convert into his mode of worship, and afterward she was converted. So it was this point where she became more possessive towards him. Why? Because she thought that she even sacrificed her religion and converted into his religion. So from this point on, she became more possessive in such a way that she had even doubted him and surprisingly visited him without knowing his presence. And not only that, she even hacked his Facebook profile and visited his profile and checked every time. So, so as I said, what happened was Alexander told Jody that it's not a healthy relationship and they broke up. So later on, what happened was she even shifted to California to just work there in the same company. But she promised him that she wouldn't disturb him. Then finally, on 2008, she murdered him. So after that, when the police arrested her, she initially refused with the innocence that she didn't do it. But later on, she accepted it, telling that he was or she was self-defending herself and because of domestic violence. So this is a short story which I like to say to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.